Hello, this is Jessica from the Burwell County Public Library, and I'm here to tell you about Hoopla. Hoopla lets you check out things immediately, and there are no wait lists. You can check out audiobooks, movies, music, comics, ebooks, and TV series. An easy way to get to Hoopla is through our website, burwellpublib.org. You'll go over here to Online Resources, scroll down, and you'll click Hoopla right here. If you've already signed up for Hoopla, you can log in using your email and password that you have set. If you have not signed up, you'll click Get Started Today right here. Fill in your email, your password, and then press Agree. It will ask you for the library that you want to connect to, along with your library card number. If you do not have a library card, you can sign up for a digital library card through our website, also on the Online Resources tab. After you've logged in, you'll be taken to the My Hoopla screen. It'll have titles that you've currently borrowed, titles that I recommend for you based on what you've checked out in the past, and your favorites, titles that you have chosen to take a look at later using the heart icon. An easy way to look for things that you'd like to check out is come up here and go to Browse. So let's look at movies. There's a few things that you can check out: recommended, featured, popular, categories. We'll look at these in just a second. We're going to look at this list right here first. So format is just movies, so it's going to be music in the music section, ebooks in the ebook section. That's all that is. Release date is when it was released to the public. So if you want to look at something newer, you can search through here. Date added is when it was added to the Hoopla selections. Patron rating is how much you liked it, so if you liked it a lot, you can rate it 5 stars. If you hated it, 1 star, or anything in between. And language, so English, French, Spanish, all that. So as an example, let's say that we wanted something that was added within the last 3 months, right? Narrows it down a little bit, but let's say we only want to see the good stuff, so 5 stars, and that narrows it down to just 4. So if you're really wanting to just find something really specific, this is a great way to do it. Alright, let's take a look at these other ones on the top here. It's recommended, so just recommended based on what you've checked out in the past. It's just a longer version of what you saw on the My Hoopla page. Featured is just what they're showing off. They're showing you they have these. You might or might not like them. Popular, just everything that's popular, especially recently. And then there's categories. Now in categories you can choose exactly what category that you want to look for. So like crime thrillers, I know that's popular. We'll click on that. And here's all of them right here. Have 58, and you can also sort them. So if you sort them by, let's say, user rating, so all the ones that people loved, they're at the top right here. Well, let's say that you already know what you want to search for. You want to search for Harry Potter, so we'll just go up here to the search bar and type it in, Harry Potter. Right? As you can see, there are quite a few results for Harry Potter, 118. But maybe you don't want to read it. Maybe you want to listen to it. Go over here to Format, and we'll choose Audiobooks. There we go. That's narrowed down quite a bit, and you should be able to easily search for what you want under Harry Potter and audiobooks. Now you've probably noticed right over here where it says Children's Titles Only. If you click on this, it'll only be items that they think are suitable for children. This will only stay for the current search. So if you go up here and go to Browse and go to Movies, it'll go right back to being for everybody, not just children. If you don't want this and you want everything to be for children, go up here where it says Kids, and it'll change it to Hoopla Kids mode. Now everything will be suitable for children. So if you go over here and go to eBooks, everything will be for children. Great way to find something for your child. The last thing we'll be looking at is the settings, so this gear right here. Under settings, you can change whether or not you want emails, Another place where you can change it to kids mode, and your borrowing history, so if you want to hide or show your borrowing history. Under library, you can search your library that you want to connect to, along with the library number. Recommendations. If you only want certain things to be recommended to you, this is the place to go. So for audiobooks, if you want action and adventure, you click on that. You can click multiple things. But if you want something different for movies, maybe you want cartoons. Just choose that. So you can set all of your different preferences right here for your recommendations. Email. Just change your email if you want to. Save email. And your password if you want to change your password. Just enter your current one and then enter a new one. And if you can't remember your password, you can reset your password right here. Now, if you have any problems using Hoopla, one place to go is the help page, right down here at the bottom. It'll have a bunch of frequently asked questions that you can look through, and there's a bunch of different topics that you can choose as well. So say you're having trouble with your iOS. They have a video that you can watch, along with some steps that you can go through. Another thing you can do is submit feedback. So click right here, and just tell them what you think about Hoopla, and how you think they can do better. Now, as you can probably tell, Hoopla is available on desktops, but it's also available on phones, tablets, Alexa devices, and you can stream it through Roku, Apple TV, Fire TV, and Android TV. If you're using a mobile device, you can download things that you check out instead of streaming it. That way, if you're off of Wi-Fi, you won't need to use your data to look at what you checked out. At the time of this video, the Boyle County Public Library offers 5 titles to check out per month. Books are available for 21 days, videos for 72 hours, and music titles for 7 days. When it comes to TV series, the borrow is used up per episode, not per series or season. And I think that's just about everything. I hope this video helped and that you'll enjoy using Hoopla in the future.